Hi, in this video I will show you a few methods that most players confirmed worked for them when Stranded: Alien Dawn didn't want to launch or it was crashing on Steam. First, let's take a look at minimum system requirements to play this game. You will check do you meet these minimum system requirements. This game doesn't support DirectX 11, so you need to be sure that you have DirectX 12 installed on your PC. To check that, right-click on Start and select Run. Type dxdiag and hit Enter. Here you will see what type of DirectX you have on your PC. If you don't have DirectX 12, you will go on this page. Link to this page will be down in video description. Click on Download, save the file on your PC, and after it finishes with download, run it and install it. After that, go again on dxdiag and check did you manage to install DirectX 12. Next thing is to check do you have any pending Windows updates. To do that, click on Start and select Settings. Here, select Update and Security. Select Check for Updates, and if Windows download any new updates, be sure to install them all. After that, restart your PC and run the game. You also want to be sure that your graphic card driver is up to date. Right-click on Start and select Device Manager. On this window, expand Display Adapters, and here you will see your display adapter. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers, and if it finds any new drivers, install it. But this method usually won't find any drivers. Here you will see what graphic card you have, and then go to your manufacturer website, find that graphic card you have, and download driver, or even better, download your manufacturer software and install it. You have seen that I have NVIDIA graphic card. So I have installed NVIDIA GeForce Experience, which is NVIDIA software that automatically notify me when there are new drivers available for my graphic card. Just like for NVIDIA, you have AMD and Intel softwares for this. That's the far best way to keep your graphic card driver up to date. Next is to clear Steam download cache. Open up Steam. In top left corner, click on Steam and select Settings. Here, click on Downloads. And down here you will see Clear Download Cache options. Click on it and you will get warning that you will be logged out from Steam. Click OK, and when you log back to Steam, launch the game and see if this worked. Next, what you can do is to repair game files. Open up Steam, go to Library, find Alien Dawn, right-click on it and select Properties. Select Local Files and then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. After it finishes with scanning, restart Steam and try the game. Next is to run Steam as admin. First, close your Steam completely. Then right-click on Steam shortcut and select Properties. Select Compatibility tab, and here you will check this box next to Run this program as administrator. To save this, click on Apply and OK. Now launch Steam and try the game. Next is to perform a clean boot. If any of programs that are running on your PC are interfering with the game, that will cause game crashes or even the game won't launch at all. So with clean boot, we will check that. Right-click on Start and select Run. Type msconfig and hit Enter. Select Services tab. Make sure that you check this box next to Hide all Microsoft services, and then click here on Disable all. When you click on Apply and OK, Windows will ask you to restart your computer. So restart it, and after it boot up, all that services you have disabled will not launch with your Windows. Now you will launch the game and test it. When you perform a clean boot, don't launch any application you usually launch when you play the game, like Discord, graphic card applications, mouse applications, and so on. Just test the game without any of that apps. If the game works now, that means that some of the programs you disabled are interfering with the game and prevent it to launch normally. To find out which app is that, you will open msconfig again, disable all Microsoft services, and then you will enable one by one service from this list. So you enable first, click on Apply and OK and restart your PC. Then launch the game, and if it works, that's not your problematic application. So you will go again and enable second one, and all the way until you find out which app is guilty for the game crashes or not launching. Then you can decide do you want to uninstall it or just leave it here disabled when you play the game. In many cases, that application is your custom antivirus software, so be sure that you try the game without your antivirus. Temporarily disable it and try the game. If none of this method worked, then I suggest you to uninstall the game, restart your PC and then install it again, in hope that it will fix your problem. And that will be all for this tutorial. I hope that I managed to help you to fix your game. If I did, please hit that like button. And if you want to buy me a cup of coffee, you can hit thanks button. Subscribe to my channel with the bell on so you don't miss my next video. Until then, stay safe and I see you all.